Welcome to an extraordinary journey through Argentina, a land of breathtaking contrasts and vibrant culture. From the vast, golden plains of the Pampas, where gauchos roam free under an endless sky, to the towering snow-capped peaks of the majestic Andes, touching the very heavens. Experience the bustling energy of Buenos Aires, a city that pulses with life and passion. And the icy, pristine wilderness of Patagonia, a realm of raw, untamed beauty. This documentary will educate and inspire, revealing the unique charm and multifaceted identity of Argentina. Our journey begins in the heart of Argentina, its vibrant capital, Buenos Aires. The iconic obelisco stands tall, a symbol of the city's enduring spirit and history. Nearby, the Casa Rosada, the presidential palace, gleams with its distinctive pink hue. Step into La Boca, a kaleidoscope of color where every building tells a story. In San Telmo, the rhythm of tango fills the air, dancers moving with passionate grace. The city's walls are canvases for incredible street art, reflecting its vibrant soul. Bustling markets offer a sensory feast, from fresh produce to unique crafts. Buenos Aires blends European elegance with fiery Latin American passion. From cityscapes, we venture to Argentina's breathtaking natural wonders. The Andes Mountains dominate the western horizon, home to Aconcagua, the highest peak in the Americas. Nestled in these mountains are charming villages, preserving ancient traditions. High-altitude vineyards thrive, producing some of the world's finest wines. Next, we witness the sheer power of Iguazu Falls, a true spectacle of nature. Close up, feel the mist and hear the roar of millions of gallons of water cascading. And the graceful guanacos, native to these rugged, windswept lands. Beyond its stunning landscapes, Argentina's culture and traditions captivate. The legendary gauchos, cowboys of the Pampas, embody a spirit of freedom and skill. Witness their traditional horsemanship, a timeless art passed down through generations. Rural life on the estancias offers a glimpse into Argentina's agricultural heartland. Argentine cuisine is a celebration, starting with the famous asado, a barbecue feast. Delicious empanadas, savory pastries, are a staple of every gathering. The mate ritual, a shared infusion, symbolizes friendship and community. Tango, more than a dance, is the very soul of Argentina. Born from passion, from street performances to grand milongas, its history is etched in every step. Argentina's rich history shapes its identity, from indigenous roots to colonial times. Colonial architecture stands as a testament to its European influences. Significant cultural sites tell stories of independence and national pride. This journey through time reveals a nation forged by diverse experiences. As our exploration concludes, we reflect on Argentina's enduring beauty and resilience. A land of inspiring landscapes, from the vast plains to the icy south. Its people, warm and passionate, are the heart of its unique character. Cultural expressions, from tango to cuisine, define its vibrant identity. Argentina invites you to discover its magic, to experience its soul firsthand. Come, explore, and be captivated by the wonders of this incredible nation.